Here's the beginning of a 6-foot table build. As you hear, we have 3 parts gluing together. Middle of the glue up right here, cutting a 6-foot round circle. And then we have the leg templates. After those are cut out, we glue them together, rough sanding beforehand. And here is the final product for the base. Look at that handsome fella. And now we start the long process of sanding the entire top. And here is a quick finished view before we get it in the location where you'll get the nice beauty shots.